Learn Armenian fast. What is, equals.
Inche.
Welcome.
Inche.
Hey you, welcome to a quick, funny lesson, brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more tips and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Picture this. You poke a mysterious button and it pokes your curiosity back. You grin and ask,
Inche.
Today you and I will nail this question so it rolls off your tongue anytime you meet an unknown thing. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask it clearly, confidently, and even comically. Meaning first. What is, in Armenian is.
Inche.
Say it like this. Inch, what, plus, is, plus your mystery blank. Gesture tip. Point, tilt your head, eyebrows up, instant curiosity mode. Rhyme to lock it in. When you don't know, just say, inchy, that's.
Inche.
Market mini dialogue. Let's make it real with a tiny sketch, smiles guaranteed. You.
Կներեք, խնդրում եմ, Inche.
Single quote. Vendor. Great question. It's a secret spice that makes everything taste like applause. You. Nice, so.
Inche.
If I point at this mystery scoop? Vendor. That, happiness powder. Side effects. Smiling. Narrator tip. Polite openers like.
Կներեք.
Excuse me, and.
Խնդրում եմ.
Please, pair beautifully with.
Inche.
Pronunciation beat. Clap to the rhythm and repeat after me. Clap, clap.
Inch.
Add the verb.
Inche.
Add the mystery.
Inche.
Point at a nearby object and say.
Sa. Inche.
Point at another and say.
Da. Inche.
Now 3 times fast with a smile.
Inche. Inche. Inche.
Culture tip and pitfalls. Use the right question for the right mystery, be a polite detective. Use.
Inche.
For things or definitions. For a person, use.
Ո.
Who is, not what. For places, try.
Որտեղ է?
Where is, for reasons.
Ինչու է?
Why is. Mastering these keeps your conversations smooth and your jokes landing. Quick quiz. Fast checks. Answer out loud before I reveal it. Q1. How do you ask, what is, in Armenian? Hint. Starts with.
Ինչ.
A1.
Ինչ.
Q2. True or false?
Ինչ.
Means, where is. A2. False. Where is.
Որտեղ է?
Q3. Polite shop question, say it.
Կներեք, խնդրում եմ, ինչ է?
Your tiny challenge. Ready to level up in 30 seconds? Point at 3 different objects and ask in sequence.
Սա. Ինչ է? Դա. Ինչ է? Այսինքն, ի վերջո, ինչ է?
Bonus. Add the gesture. Point, tilt, smile. Goodbye and next steps. Nice work, your curiosity just got a megaphone. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Ինչ է?
Whenever you meet a new thing and compare it with.
Ո.
And.
Որտեղ է?
To sharpen your skills. For more lessons, exercises, and fun quizzes, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you in the next episode.